Namhlanje asibhekene problem ye-algebra. From question 1 bathi lana, let's solve for x in each of the following. And then 1.1.1 bathi sinikeze u-2x minus 1 into x plus 4 konke lokhu kulingana no 0. So this problem is copied from grade 9 work, whereby a product of a multiplied by b if ilingana no 0, then which means a ulingana no 0 or b wakho uzolingana no 0. So in this case it's not which is 2x minus 1 umelelingane no 0 or x plus 4 now umelelingane no 0. So when we solve for x in this case, it's where this will transpose negative 1 to the right hand side, then I'm left with 2x is equals to 1, and then ngapha x uzolingana no negative 4. Then here I have to divide by 2 both sides, then x uzolingana no 1 over 2. Problem elandelayo 1.1.2 sinikezwe la 3x squared minus x is equals to 5, but now we are supposed to leave our answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, so kulendo let me transpose 5 ngulethe ngapha ngibhala in the standard format quadratic ka ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then izobe sengisebenzisa quadratic formula by knowing ama values are a near b near c. So la mangitranspose u5 to the left hand side ngizoba no negative 5 equals to 0. Then a wami la in this case ulingana no 3, b wami ulingana no negative 1 which is the coefficient of x, and c wami ulingana no negative 5. Now you'll be given a formula sheet in a quadratic formula at x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Then we do a substitution. Then b wako it's negative, so it's negative into negative 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1 all squared minus 4. If you look at a, you 3. If you look at c, yona, you negative 5. All divided by 2. And then your value of a is positive 3. Then you punch your calculator. You will find that 1 plus or minus square root of younger than this is 61. And then all divided by 6, because 2 times 3 lingana no 6. And then but as yama answer it into 2 decimal places, which x wako kala it's 1,47. X wako wesibili uzoba x equals to negative 1,14. Then it's all the answer akaphela. Inkinga basinika nelandela isithathu 1.1.3. x squared plus 7x minus 8 is less than equals to or equals to 0. Sorry, x squared plus 7x minus 8 is less than 0 only. Awukho equals to. Now, in this case, let's factorize la. Because value a is positive 1, so ingavele ngifactorize ngazidivide a negative number is eceleni kwa x squared, which is the coefficient. So if we factorize, ama factors engine's mangwa times anginikeza 8, but mangwa minus anginikeza 7. So it's 8 and 1, because 8 times 1 unikeza 8, but mangithi 8 minus 1 unikeza imiklithema ubani 7. So I've got x la nala nginobani ngino x. And then isign ile issue ukuthi ama signs engiwafaka la awafani, but inamba enkulu ku8 no1 izothatha isign emiklithema. So inamba enkulu enginayo la u8 futhi wethu uzoba positive. Okushuthi njengoba ngithi awafani futhi the rest elandelayo isobani iso negative. Now in this case I need to say amele ngithola ama critical values. So in other words, length of x plus 8 into x minus 1 is length it's an equation, because length it's an inequality. So here ifana nale problem engaphezulu, which means x plus 8 ulingana no 0 noma x minus 1 ulingana no 0. Okusho ukuthi x ulingana nobani? No negative 8 or x ulingana noba no 1. But awuqedile le nginikeza ama-boundaries for ama-critical values ukuthi isuka phi iphelaphi. So njengamanje ngine negative 8 mangidebe number line bese ngiba no 1. Now I need to retest. Iziphi inamba engizothi mangiyithola ku negative 8 no 1 a between la encane kunazo zonke. Ungathatha noma iziphi, but mina I would like to take u0. Then mangithatha u0 ngizowufaka la. Mangifaka u0 la ku x so ngizoba no 8 multiplied by negative 1. So ngithola i-answer a negative. But mangiyifaka la mangithatha u-negative 9 ngiba no negative 9 plus 8 kuma negative 1. La ngibe no negative 9 minus 1 kuma minus 10. And then negative times negative will give me positive. So in other words, if usuyitholile sign engala, then the rest is sign yangaphi izoba positive. Ube le sign ibila ibe positive, le ngale izoba negative or negative. Or unga-checka ngapha. Ungathola i-answer yakho la i-positive, which means la soku negative kube positive. But engifuna ukuchaza la ukuthi ama-signs angeke alandelane, ngeke kube positive positive or negative negative or negative positive positive or positive negative negative. Kumele kube positive negative positive or negative positive negative. Now let's proceed. Since the inequality sign ingenayo equal sign, which means igambuza lami leli ngilidubayo angeke ngilishade only if kukhona isign ka or equals to. Uma khona le sign le bengizoshade la, but ngoba le equal sign ayikho angizokushade. Now sengiyayibuza ke ithini equation yami, bathi u-x plus 8 into x minus 1 is less than 0. Bakutshela lento ukuthi i-negative, then uyayibuza i-negative ngephi la, futhi isuka la ize kephi ize ngapha. Now asibhale lento in terms of inequality, beku x ngapha. Sesizothe thina ungisuka ku1 ngapha, ngala ngisuka kubani ku negative 8. Bese mangibeka u-x la, mangisuka la ku1 ngiya kuyinamba ezi-negative, okusho ukuthi u-x omele abe mncane kunenamba ka1, futhi x omele abe mncane kuno1, futhi x omele ngimdumisele. So uma ngabe u-x wami eyi-negative esuka la ku-negative 8 eya ngapha kuyinamba e-positive, because ngala kuzoba negative 7 up to approach positive infinity. So usho ukuthi x omele ngimkhamisele kube yinamba eyinkulu kuno-negative 8. Kule problem esinikwe yona elandelayo ithi u4y minus x is equals to 4 and uxy is exactly equals to 8. We are required now to solve for ux and y simultaneously. So I'm a simultaneous equations. So in I need to name this. I will say this is equation 1 and this one is equation 2. So equation engibona ngathi lula la ile yokuqala le, ngoba le yokuqala it's a linear equation. It's a linear equation, but it has a product of the two unknowns. So izothanda ukuba nzimana ngoba uma ngifuna ukwenza x noma y substitute of the formula kuzomela ngidivide it either ngo-x or ngo-y. Kanti la kuzoba easy. I can transpose 4y to the right hand side and then divide by negative. So let me do that. I will say from equation 1, ngifuna ukwenza x is subject of the formula. Let me transpose ux to the right hand side, then I'm remaining with ux. Then ngapha ngokwa left hand side ngino 4y, transpose 4 is ngapha equal minus 4, and then I will need to name this as equation 3. Then after this I need to do a substitution. We equation yesibili ngale equation yokuqala, ngale equation yesithathu, sorry, ngoba sengiyazi ukuthi ux ulingana ncamashi no4y minus 4, okusho ukuthi la khona ux mina sengifaka bani u4y minus 4. So we have ubani u4y minus 4 into y equals to 8. Now let me remove my 4y, go y, glama brackets, 4y times y ubani 4y squared minus 4 times y minus 4y. Then let me transpose 8 to the left hand side. We'll have minus 8 equals to 0. You can divide because 4 is a common factor. So y squared minus y minus 2 equals to 0. Then I can factorize this equals to 0. So y plus 1 and y minus 2. So it's either y ulingana nobani no minus 1 or y ulingana nobani no 2. Now sekumele siqhubeke sithole i-value ka-x. I will do a substitution back with equation isithathu because yona equation isithathu where x is a subset of the formula. So lapha khona y equation isithathu ngizofaka u-negative 1, then it would be 4 into negative 1 minus 4, or x will be equals to 4 into faka manje 2 minus 4. And then 4 times negative 1 would give you negative 4 minus 4 or minus 8. Or ngapha x is over 4 times 2 phuma 8 minus 4 phuma 4. Then your solution set would be x and y as ama coordinates. Uma ngabe x negative 8, y is over negative 1, or x mangabe 4, y is over 2. Next problem, it says the graph of 4y minus x is equals to 4 is reflected across the line even the equation y is equals to x. So we are required to find the equation of the line that is being reflected. Now we are given a linear equation of 4y minus x is equals to 4. Maybe reflect ngalo line ka y is equals to x. Bakonda ukuthi la khona y uzofaka x and then la khona x uzofaka y. So la shooting mina kulo 4y minus x is equals to 4. After a reflection along this line, shooting nobala x and then lagu x nibe no y is equals to 4. Then let me make y subject of the formula. Let me transpose negative y to the right hand side, and then y will equals to 4x on the left hand side, and transpose the 4 to the left is equal minus 4. And done. 1.3, that's learn the solutions of a quadratic equation are given by x equals to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2p plus 5 all divided by 7. Now that's learn for each value of values of p will this equation have two equal solutions. So in other words, uma ngabe uthola equation ekanje bekubuza ngama solutions mhlawumbe ngaphuma bethalingana, go straight kulento ene square root, which means lento phakathi kwi square root kumele ilingane no 0, or i-answer lela kwi square root kumele ilingane no 0. Okay, so lento la ngaphakathi kwi square root kumele ilingane no 0, which means u2p plus 5 kumele ngamashi alingane nobani no 0. So that we'll have equal solutions, or you can put a square root, it's okay, but you can get rid of the square root sign by putting a square bracket, and then your 2p plus 5 will exactly equals to 0, and then 2p transpose of 5 to the right hand side is over minus 5, and then up is over minus 5 over 2. And then ngezansi sebethi for which values of p will this equation have no real solutions. So it's when lende lana ke ngaphakathi kwi square root kuzomela ikunikeza i-answer e-negative. So it's u2p plus 5 kumele kunikeza i-answer negative. It kumele be less than ubani u0 ngoba i-number is less than u0 is negative. Then let me transpose 5 to the right hand side. Then 2p must be less than negative 5, and then divide both sides by 2 ngizobano p less than or minus 5 over 2. Then that's it.